Hello students. Now we have to start for the last lecture of chapter equilibrium. We are going to start somewhat topic related to practical purpose also. It's also this type of procedure is also in class 12th as well. Now starting with acid-base titration using indicator. Titration is the measurement of the volume of a solution of one reactant that is required to react completely with the measured amount of another reactant. As both the reactants are taken in form of solution and the titration is the measurement of volume of one solution that must be added to another solution till the reaction is complete. This method of quantitative analysis is called volumetric analysis. The concentration of the solution, called as standard solution, is known as it is desired to find the concentration of other by the titration. The point at which the required volume of one solution has been added to the other to exactly complete the reaction between the two is called endpoint or equivalence point. Now types of titrations. There are four types. First two types are in class 11th and 12th syllabus. Number 1. Redox titrations involving oxidation and reduction. Number 2. Acid-base titrations involving neutralization. Number 3. Precipitation titrations. Number 4. Complexometric titrations involving formation of complexes. The substance usually added into the solution taken in the titration flask to detect the equivalence point is called indicator. Theory of acid-base indicators. Acid-base indicators are mostly complex organic molecules which are either weak acids or weak bases. For example, phenolphthalein. It's a weak organic acid and its symbol is HPH. And methyl orange. This is the apparatus of titration which we use in our laboratory. There is a burette stand and one burette and titration flask. So what is the procedure? Number 1, a known volume of solution is taken in the titration flask with the help of pipette. The other solution is taken in burette which is graduated in cc's and has a stopcock at the bottom. The solution to be titrated is taken in the flask and is called titrate, and solution with which the titration is to be done, that is taken in the burette, is called the titrant. Now what is theory of acid-base indicators? Acid-base indicators are mostly complex organic molecules which are either weak acids or weak bases. For example, phenolphthalein is a weak organic acid and methyl orange is a weak organic base. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange dissociate in aqueous solution as H positive and pH negative, Me positive and OH negative. The unionized form has one color and the ions have different color. For example, phenolphthalein is colorless while phenolphthalein ions have pink color. Similarly, methyl orange has yellow color while methyl ion have red color. As the medium changes from acidic to basic, the equilibrium shifts either towards the right or towards the left and so the color changes. In acidic medium, the equilibrium 1 is towards left and solution is colorless, while in basic medium, OH negative ions will combine with the H positive to form unionized water molecules. The equilibrium shifts towards the right and solution has pink color. In methyl orange in basic medium, the equilibrium 2 is towards left and color is yellow, while acidic medium H positive ions combine with OH negative ion and equilibrium shifts towards right and color is red. Phenolphthalein can be used as an indicator if the base is weak while the OH negative ions produced from the weak base are insufficient to shift the equilibrium 1 towards the right. Methyl orange is not a suitable indicator if the acid is weak while H positive ions produced are insufficient to combine with OH negative ions and shift the equilibrium towards right. Now pH at the end point of acid-base titrations. Here are some curves called titration curves. Number 1. If strong acid has been titrated with strong base, the pH at the end point is 7. If a weak acid or weak base is involved in the titration, pH at the end point depends upon the hydrolysis of salt formed. In any type of acid-base titration, it is found that there is sudden change in the pH value at the end. As the titration proceeds, if the pH values of solution are measured or calculated theoretically and then plotted against the value of solution added, the curve obtained is called titration curve. The point at which there is sudden change in pH when a very small amount of titrant is added to the titrate is called point of inflection. The steepness of the slope around the equivalence point is quite large in case of titration of strong acid against strong base, whereas it is less steep if the acid or base is weak. So, hereby the chapter closes.